How to change landscape to portrait in the Filmora app. Have you been using the Filmora editing app to edit your videos and photos and wondering on how to change the landscape video to portrait? Then don't worry, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. After opening the app, make sure you have added the video that you want to edit. Now to edit the video, tap on to the timeline track right here. Now tap on it. Then here you can find the crop option at the bottom right here. Now select it. Now you can see this video is on the landscape. Now to change it to portrait, simply tap on to the portrait option of this just right here. Now tap on to one and then tap on to the check mark. And now you can see the video has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change the landscape video to portrait. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.